Many students across Northwest Arkansas and the River Valley, they're going to be once again out of school tomorrow.
Chip Scarborough is now live in Fayetteville with what goes into making the call about whether to have school. Chip.
Well, Allison and Brandon, the superintendent here in Fayetteville, says it all starts with him getting out on the roads himself to see what conditions are like here. Meantime, down in Fort Smith, there is a special committee tasked with providing the superintendent with vital information. There is plenty of snow on the ground around Fayetteville High School, but the superintendent says the conditions on secondary roads in the city are a big reason why he decided to cancel classes again tomorrow.
We look at a variety of factors. Certainly, the ability to run our own buses plays into it, but beyond that, it's our ability to get staff here. A lot of our staff don't live right here in town, and they have to commute. And so, what does the larger area look like outside of the district?
Fayetteville's superintendent hopes to dispatch more officials to check those secondary roads once more melting takes place during the day tomorrow, likely making a decision later in the day about whether to have school on Wednesday.
And we try to hit all the different parts, especially troubled parts that are hilly or that tend to be shaded, just to kind of see what they look like, and then from that make a decision.
For Fort Smith Public Schools, the district says this is the first year it is utilizing its new weather committee, a group of about 24 people. It includes district leaders, teachers, and parents.
We live throughout the area, whether it's Alma, Fort Smith, Lavaca, Greenwood, any of the areas. And so we're pretty well represented as far as the River Valley area.
Therefore, committee members can provide weather conditions from a number of spots in and around Fort Smith, helping the superintendent to be better informed when making the final decision about whether to have school. After all, the decision impacts many, including bus drivers.
So I know as a district, we want to make sure that we're making the decisions about school in enough notice so that those early staff members have plenty of time to know what they're going to need to do, if they are going to need to leave a little extra early, or if they just know they can stay home.
And for most districts, it's also important to make sure that the buildings and properties are in good shape to welcome students and teachers back. Live in Fayetteville tonight, Chip Scarborough, 4029 News.